Hi everyone, so I just wanted to pop on and talk about some lash products that you can be using in this time before you come for your treatments, because I know a few of you had your LVL lashes booked in and obviously have had to have it rescheduled, but there is something that you can be doing now to prepare to get your lashes in the best condition that they can be, to then obviously get the best results from your treatment. So I'll tell you like a little story of my own lashes. So I got my lashes done back in June last year, just before I went to New York, and I hadn't been using any sort of like lash conditioner or any sort of strengthener and lengthener, so I didn't really get much benefit from it. They were quite short and my lashes are dark anyway, so I was a little bit disappointed. But this time round, I had them done in November, the treatment. And then after that, I started using their conditioner and their Triple Enhance Lash Serum. So whilst I was using them in combination, it actually got my lashes in the best condition that they could be. And they grew out so much nicer, because the last time I had them done, I felt like they started to go out a little bit like spiky, a little bit gappy, all because I wasn't really using the right products. So I really have seen a difference with using these two products, because they're kind of positioning them. The conditioner, which is like a mascara, positions the lashes upright, keeps them nice and separated and conditioned, and then obviously the lash and the Triple Enhance Lash Serum strengthens them so that they can lengthen, and it also encourages more lashes to grow. So in that combination, my lashes have just been amazing. So you're better off then. Now I've had the treatment done, say just before the christening, and my lashes are just so much in better condition. So I wanted to show you what they're like before I apply the product. So this has got like nothing on my lashes, and you can see how lifted they are and long and healthy. Excuse the greys. But yeah, I'm just so pleased. So what I would be doing every day is I put on. So this is the Triple Enhance Lash Serum, which I put on directly onto the root of the lash itself, almost touching my skin, but on the base of the lash itself. So I give a little sweep over one and the other. Then I go over with my Lash and Brow conditioner, which goes onto the length of the lashes. And what this does is quite a nice like primer, but it's like a clear mascara, but it's got a conditioner in it. So the treatment itself is like a perm as such. We put the product on the ends of the lashes. So you need to then obviously condition them like you would your head of hair after a perm. You need to then condition them so they grow out and remain healthy. And that's what this part does. And that is it. And to be honest, I've been getting away with just using the lash conditioner. To be honest, I've been actually quite happy with that, and not having to wear mascara. So I would now go on and put like top liner, some eyeshadow, and mascara just whilst that's drying. So yeah, the Lash and Brow conditioner is $18.99 and the Triple Enhanced Lash Serum is $30. So I can post these through your door locally, or I can post them in the post, and also I can arrange delivery from the Fish Inn in Bradwell, so you can collect them from there and you can do bank transfer to purchase that. So in combination, like that would prepare your lashes so that they're long and thick, to then have the LVL lash treatment. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Let me know if you would like one, because I've only got limited stock available, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.